Hey, how you doing, guys? I have this Jeep Cherokee and I'm gonna show you how to replace the radiator, thermostat, and the water pump. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to do that real quick, like a pro. Yeah, I mean. Before I get into that, I want to give shout outs to my new subscribers, old subscribers, newcomer subscribers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. I appreciate it. Now I'm saying, where would I be without you? Let's get it. This video, as you can see, it's playing by itself. I'm not gonna do that much talking, so if you have any questions, just put it in the comment box. Now that reminds me that please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button, destroy it, bang it. Do the same with the like button, share this video, and the feedback. Any questions, anything related to this vehicle, how to do certain things, put it in the comment box for me. Yeah, me. On the other hand, I wanna encourage the females, the ladies, to become a mechanic, technician, because I haven't seen that many out here in the field. Know what I'm saying? So do that. This is where the leak come from. This is the radiator, alright? And that's why we're gonna replace it. Like I was saying, please, I mean, ladies, it's time to catch up, know what I'm saying? So do that. Try to become a mechanic, a technician. It's like any other job. You're gonna like it, you're gonna love it, because I do. So I'm not gonna interrupt no more. I'm not gonna hold you up no more. I'm gonna let you enjoy this video. Have fun with it. I hope you like it. And I catch you at the end, alright? Burung, astuvo. Meow. Yeah, Stu is back. Now this one right here is the thermostat. We're gonna replace that too because it's part of the cooling system. Yeah, me. So we're doing the radiator, the water pump, and the thermostat, like I told you in the beginning. Yeah, me. You're about to see the new parts in a minute, and we're gonna install the new parts the same way we remove them. Yeah, me. Upset in reverse. Like I said, if you have any questions, put in the comment box for me, and as soon as I see it, I'll reply. Alright? Now I'm gonna transfer this pipe to the new water pump, and we're gonna start installing the new parts. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it right here. I hope you like the video. Like I said, if you have any questions, just put in the comment box for me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit destroy, bang the subscribe button. Do the same with the like button. Don't forget to share this video, and shout outs to my new subscribers, old subscribers, newcomer subscribers. Where would I be without you? I'm saying thank you for the love, thank you for the support, thank you for the help. I'll see you in the next one. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy it. I'm not gonna hold you up no more. See you in the next one. Holla at your boy, Astuo Burum.